Hey guys, Joey here with Kennan's RV, Joe's RV Tech DIY. I got another YouTube video for you here real quick. So we're working on a Schwinn-Tech slide-out system that another RV company in the area attempted to work on from what we hear. So it wouldn't come out on one side, it wouldn't come in on one side. Got that to where, we unhooked a couple of the cables. We found down in the lower section of this, that's where the pulleys on the lower section over here are ripped out of the wall. So we found them. They were all blown apart, everything laying there. But one of the keepers is missing. And we can't seem to find it. So we're gonna have to get a different one, and we're probably gonna have to get a new cable system for it as well. It's very tight quarters, as you can see. It makes it very difficult to work on it. And then if the wall is rotting out, that makes it even more difficult. So we actually have to fix that. But when we do it, we make them a little bit stronger than they were before because we don't like them ripping out of the wall. We think that's absolutely ridiculous. But we'll end up probably removing the cover of this bed here to give us some more room. But it's only going to give us a few more inches, and then we'll try to lay in there at an angle and get this done without removing the slide out entirely. But if you have cable driven, by cable driven, this is what I mean. See this cable right here that's running out? It's on the top and it's on the bottom. It's got pulleys on all four corners of the slide out. Got two up here, two down there, two over there, and two up there. The other pulleys are behind this white cover right here. Do not take this apart yourself. Like, I don't care how mechanically inclined you think you are. This is a rather challenging job for even a lot of RV technicians. So it's not something I recommend that you do, but we're gonna go ahead and help this guy get it all rebuilt. I'll take a flashlight here, I'm gonna show you. See if you guys can see where it was mounted. You can see the cables just laying there. As you can see them down there. There's a cable, another cable, another cable. There's four total. So as you can see, it used to be mounted on the wall there in the corner, and now it is ripped out and completely come apart. But another tech in the area worked on it, wasn't able to get it done. Nothing against him. These can be rather challenging, and we know that. And he gave it his best shot, but now we're going to give it our best shot and put it back together and get it working again for the customer. And we'll probably even give him a little bit of advice, so the next time he's doing one, he won't get stuck like he did. But kudos to him for knowing his limit and when to stop. So until next time, safe travels. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.